Are you ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation? To bring that special person into your life effortlessly? Well, you're in for a treat. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve deep into the mystical world of manifestation. Today, we have something truly mind-blowing in store for you. Have you ever desired to manifest a specific person, to attract them into your life? If your answer is yes, then you're about to discover an extraordinary technique that will change the game for you. But here's the real secret. This technique is rooted in Neville Goddard's revolutionary idea of nothing to change but self. It revolves around the notion that to manifest a specific person, you don't need to manipulate them or force their actions. Instead, the key lies within you. In this video, we will unwrap the secrets held within Neville Goddard's philosophy and show you how to apply this powerful concept to manifesting that special person effortlessly. But I must warn you, this is not your typical manifestation technique. It requires you to dig deep within yourself and challenge your beliefs. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards will be beyond your wildest dreams. So, if you're ready to embark on this transformative journey with us, make sure to hit that like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we share exclusive tips, tricks, and techniques for mastering the art of manifestation. All right? Let's get started. When it comes to manifesting a specific person into our lives, an important concept to understand is that there's nothing to change but ourselves. It's not about manipulating or controlling the other person, but rather focusing on our own personal growth and self-improvement. However, if we neglect doing the necessary self-work before incorporating affirmations or any manifestation techniques, we may find ourselves confronted with hot and cold behavior from the person we desire. To avoid this, it's crucial to get real with ourselves and honestly examine what we truly believe about ourselves. Deep down, what do we think we deserve? What are our fears and insecurities? Addressing these inner beliefs and thought patterns should be our first step on the path to manifesting a specific person. Now, let's talk about affirmations. While they can be a powerful tool, it's important to understand that blanket affirmations for specific people may have limited results. Simply repeating phrases like, "I am in a loving relationship with," may not yield the desired outcome. Instead, we need to focus on cultivating a deeper sense of self-love and self-worth. By working on our own personal development and being the best version of ourselves, we become more magnetic and attractive to the specific person we desire. Now let's get real about overnight manifestation changes. Yes, it is indeed possible to experience dramatic shifts and changes in a short period of time. But here's the catch. Basic content might not get you there. To manifest changes overnight, we need to go beyond the surface level. Dive into advanced manifestation techniques, study and understand the intricacies, and apply them with dedication and persistence. When it comes to manifestation, it's essential to put the focus on yourself and become authentic about your beliefs. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly believe about yourself, your worthiness, and your abilities to manifest what you desire. To create the desired outcome with a specific person, it's important to address what you specifically believe about them. Dive deep into your thoughts and examine any limiting beliefs or doubts you may have about your connection with them. Addressing both your self-concept and beliefs surrounding a specific person is vital for successful manifestation. Aligning your beliefs about yourself and the other person with your desired outcome can greatly increase the chances of manifestation. Now let's talk about detachment from threat circumstances. It's important to understand that detachment doesn't mean completely forgetting about your manifestation. Instead, it means recognizing that three circumstances, such as external events or other people's actions, cannot determine whether or not your manifestation will happen. Detaching from three circumstances allows you to release any attachment to specific outcomes and trust in the universe's timing and plan. It frees you from unnecessary worry and anxiety, allowing the manifestation process to unfold naturally. When we manifest something close to our heart, such as a loving relationship, it often comes with a heightened emotional attachment. This strong emotional connection can sometimes lead to wavering and wobbling in our belief and focus. It's important to remind ourselves that it's perfectly okay to let go of old stories about ourselves. We are allowed to change our minds and evolve. Changing our perspective or desires does not make us bad people. It simply means we are growing and exploring new possibilities. Being honest with ourselves is key. We must take a moment to reflect and honestly assess what we're truly thinking and believing. This self-awareness allows us to address any limiting beliefs or doubts that may be holding us back from manifesting what we desire. When working on ourselves and manifesting our desires, it's possible that we may experience a shift in our attraction or interest towards a specific person. But here's the important thing to remember. This doesn't have to be seen as a negative outcome. It could simply mean that as we grow and transform, our desires may evolve as well. Understanding the law of attraction plays a crucial role in preventing us from reaching false conclusions when working on manifesting love in our lives. By grasping this fundamental principle, we can avoid jumping to conclusions and maintain a positive mindset throughout the manifestation process. Manifesting a specific person requires a deep understanding of the law of manifestation, particularly the concept of infinite outcomes. Trusting that the universe has an infinite number of paths to bring you together allows you to release any attachment to a specific timeline or outcome. Believing that you are source energy, interconnected with everything in the universe, is essential when manifesting someone specifically. Recognize your power to co-create your reality and tap into the abundant love that is available to you. Manifesting someone specifically involves a thorough examination of all your beliefs regarding love, relationships, and what you believe you are capable of experiencing. Take the time to reflect on any limiting beliefs or patterns that may be hindering your manifestation. To manifest a desired outcome, it's important to make a decision on who you want to be in the relationship and create intentions based on this belief. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, you can magnetize and attract the love you seek. Thank you so much for joining us today on this transformative journey of manifesting your ideal relationship. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to recap the key insights we've explored in this video. First and foremost, it's crucial to reevaluate your beliefs about love, relationships, and manifestations. By questioning and examining these beliefs, you can create an ideal relationship experience that aligns with your deepest desires. Taking ownership of your current state is essential. Acknowledge any fearful thoughts without judgment and use them as an opportunity for growth and self-awareness. Remember, choosing a different version of yourself is possible. Embrace honesty with yourself and be brave enough to identify areas of growth and transformation. Manifestation shouldn't be feared. It should be embraced as a powerful tool for self-discovery and choice-making. Tap into your inner power and consciously create the love and relationship you deserve. Let go of old belief systems that may limit your personal progress or potential success in achieving your desired relationship goals. Embrace new possibilities and open yourself up to receive the love you desire. Make conscious efforts each day to move closer to your manifestation goals. Take inspired actions, believe wholeheartedly, and watch as your ideal relationship unfolds before your eyes. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on manifestation and personal growth. Remember, you have the power to manifest the love you desire. Embrace the process, nurture your beliefs, and watch the magic unfold in your life. Until we meet in our next video, keep manifesting.